Hi students, yesterday we learned there are two types of voice. First one is active voice and second one is passive voice. Today we are going to learn how to convert active into passive and passive into active. Now I am writing one sentence of active voice. First of all, one thing remember, there is a specific formula for active voice and one specific formula for passive voice. So first of all, you remember always in your life what is the formula of active voice and passive voice. The formula of active voice is subject plus verb and plus object, and formula is passive for passive voice is object plus AV plus PP. PP means past participle, means third form of the verb, and by is a compulsory, and subject means yesterday we already learned which sentence starts from subject, it's called active voice, and which sentence starts from object, it's called passive voice. Now we are going to learn how to convert active voice into the passive voice. Now I am writing one sentence of active voice. See example, he drinks water. So now identify the subject in this sentence. He is a subject, drinks is a verb, and water is a object. So this is a formula of active voice, subject plus verb plus object. So this sentence is a active voice. He drinks water. Now this sentence we have to convert in passive. So first of all, read the formula of passive voice. See here, object plus AV. AV means auxiliary verb. It's called again helping verb also. Then plus PP. PP means third form of the verb. Then by and then yes. Now we have to write what? O. O means objective. Which is the objective in the sentence? Water. So we have to write here water. Then AV. How to identify the AV from the verb? See here. Identify the tense of the drinks. Identify the tense of this verb drinks. Drinks is in present tense. So which is the auxiliary verb of present tense? Am is are, but here water is in singular form. That's why we have to use here is. Water is. Then PP. PP means past participle. So identify the verb from the active voice. There is a drink is a verb. So drink is the first form, second form is a drank, and third form which? Drunk. Very good. Then by is compulsory. Then yes, which is the yes? He. He convert in him. Pay attention here. How many subjects are there? There are 7 subjects. He, she, it, they, I, we, and last you. When we convert in passive voice of active voice, that time these subjects convert in different way. How? See here, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes as it is remain, they becomes them, I becomes me, we becomes us, and you remain as it is. This all the subjects you have to remember in your life. So see how we converted active voice into the passive voice. First of all, we have to write object from that sentence. Means here object is a water. Then AV. How we identify AV from this sentence? Because by using the tense of the verb. Here verb is in present tense. That's why we write here is, because is a form of be in present tense. Then PP, past participle means third form, which is the verb in that sentence, drinks. So drunk is a third form of drink. Then buy is compulsory, and then yes, which is the yes in the sentence? He becomes him. So did you understand how to convert active voice into the passive voice? Now next lesson, next period, we will learn how to convert passive voice into the active voice. Thank you.